IP address and computer network, what is the full form. Type of content we have IP address, types of address. I can see here it is mentioned. An IP address is a numerable assigned to a device connected on a computer network that uses the IP for communication. IP address acts as an identifier for a specific machine or particular network. It helps you to develop a virtual connection between destination and the source. Here we have types of address. There are mainly 4 types of addresses, IP address: private, public, static, and also dynamic. Here in this today, I will show practically using a software how to calculate your IP address, your subnet mask, and also calculate first host, last host, and so on. I will go deeply during this video. Welcome. Public IP address is an address where a primary address is associated with your own network. In these types of IP address, each of connected device has the same IP address. This type of IP address is provided to your router by your internet as IP. Private IP addresses is a private unique IP number assigned to every device that's connected to your home internet network, which include devices like computers, tablets, smartphones, which is used to home hard. Here we have dynamic IP address. You can see here, I don't spend here much time because we do it in practice, whereby we show you how to calculate your IP address, a subnet mask, and everything using those 4 types of IP address. You can see here broadcast addressing. I don't spend much here. This is like a brief, but we go in deeply. Here we have a summary what we gonna look today. Public IP stands to Internet Protocol. Public IP address is an address where a primary address is associated with your whole network. Private IP is an address, a unique IP number assigned to every device that connects us to your home internet network. Dynamic IP is an address is always keep changing. It is temporary and located in every device every time it connects to the web. I will show you how we can deal with the IP address, so don't worry about it. I will show you exactly what is about it. A static IP is an IP that is assigned manually to your devices. Thank you very much for this lesson. Let us go to the practice, whereby I show you how to calculate this IP address. Thank you very much. For the previous video, I was showing you how to calculate subnet mask, IP address. Here we are going to do some practice. For example, I'm going to type an IP address which is class C 192.168.1.1. Here I have /25. It calculates automatically. Here network bits, it's 25 networks, you can see, and host is 7, host 126. Here you can reduce prefix length to 8, either 16, either 24, or 32. You can choose what you want. And if you click here to calculate, you will see down here your result. This IP address is the one that we type here above. As you can see, we have this binary number, subnet mask 255.225.254.0, and subnet mask in the binary number 111, as you can see it's mentioned here. And the wildcard mask is 0000.00.01. 1.1111 up to 8. Block size is 2, network bits is 23, host bit is 9, and network IP address is 192.168.1.0.0/23. First IP is 192.168.0.1. Last IP is 192.168.11.254, and the broadcast is 192.168.1.255. So if you want to know this application, it's for Android. Type down below. I'll show how to download it and use it to calculate this IP address subnetting calculator. I can show here again. If you come here, you will see class detector. You put your IP address, it will do everything for you. Let's practice 192.168.10.2. If you click calculate, it will show you everything. IP data, do you see is class C, is scope is private, network ID and 2.0.0.0, subnet mask, it is mentioned here. CDR is 24. As you can see, first IP is 192.0.0.1, last IP 223.225.225.224, broadcast is 223, 225, 225, 255, as you can see it's mentioned here, and the private range is 192.168.0.168.255.255. And if we are coming here again to base converter, here we have binary on base 2, outer base 8, decimal base 10, hexadecimal base 16. And here we have IP binary, where you can type everything, IP to binary conversion. For example, if I type 192.168.3.2, if you calculate your to binary conversion result, you will see it is mentioned here. You don't stress yourself by calculating your binary. If you have an IP address, it calculates for you automatically. Let's go ahead with the VSLM. Here we have, you click 192.168.2.1/30. Let me do 30 to calculate. Example, number of hosts required, you will say 8, and you will see calculate. It shows error of number. It means that I make some errors, but what you really here is to show and to guide you how to do it. Then we continue is SCSLM calculator. We have root summarizing